goated. O, barilin nyo yun, oh. Dami. Si ano, yung AI Wesley, like yung ano, yung nasa history. I don't know. Si Carl, si Marcus Hudson, si Carl Black, si Carlo.
Domain expansion!
Alam nyo ba yung bomba? Ito, bomba yan. Tristan is cooking with 18 kills, bro. Tristan cooking with 18 kills right now. Bro's cooking 18 kills right now. Oh man. Bro got 10 kills, 4 kills, 5 kills. This Endo has the lowest kills right now. Let's go, just cock the gun, bro. Carl, do what you want. Kung mapatay si Endo, tulungan nyo naman si Endo. Siguro yung buhay, oh. Wala, GG. Bro, Tristan, you're the last hope, Tristan.
Continue for me! Come on!
Go, Ted.
I can follow them!
Binabar yung dead body. Tristan. Go, puta go. Patay na si Carl. Ganisu.
May come run out!
Stop!
Stop it.
No! Hoy, kakalasira yun! Hoy, kakalasira yun! Hoy, stop!
You can shoot them! You can shoot them!
Stop!
Wala, Triceratops!
Oh my God, stop! Ano ba?
Oh shit!
No!
Bro,
I'm helping you!
I shoot the target!
Ayun no! Go, Tristan! I go!
Oh shit!
Oh!
Sana mamatay!
Stop!
Allahu Akbar!
Let's go, both.
No!
Ayun na!
Oh shit!
Jason! Tayo mga maglabas!
So this is Tarzu.
Kian! Kian!
Para namin tao!
Balik lang yung kasama mo.
Hoy, stop! Stop!
Namatay yung kaibigan!
Ay, God! Hoy, stop! Stop it! Oh, stop! Stop! Ganun na!
Mamatay!
May transfer tayo siya na!
Wala na! May tips na ako na store. Balik na mo! May go!
Stop! Stop yung... Come on, let's go!
Let's go! This is the best thing. This is why I love you!
Easy! Ay, tulog guys!
Huwag niyo ano yung ano,
ko! I hit na lang!
You guys only knocked down 24 zombies. You guys are rough. Oh my God! Gorlak the Destroyer! Let's Gorlak the Destroyer! Oh yeah, destroy it! Damn, you guys getting cooked. Guys, you have to destroy the you have to destroy the hatchets when he throws it. Destroy the hatchets. You guys have to work together! You tama!
Living time zone. It was very good.
It was very fun.
It was very fun.
You already know how fun what it was.
Long time.
There were so many screaming.
Yes. The top one screamer is
Tristan, the birthday boy.
I basically spent like 650 for you guys.
You're welcome.
Thanks for spending 200 pesos to us.
Yeah, for real.
pesos lang ba?
Yes. Yes.
Mga 300 sa... Ay, hindi, mga 500 something.
Yes.
What time is it?
The time is 4:20.
Okay.
Mamalala muna ako kakasigaw. Tili ng tili.
Si Tristan kasi.
Nawalan na ng boses.
That was the most fun I've had in a day.
Ganda ng boses, boys. This those boys, bro.
Do you still have your
Guys,
voice?
they have my voice.
Ikaw na mag-Roblox. Ikaw na Facebook. Racist ng guard. Vlogging in public. Ginedge niya ako. Ginedge niya ako based of my skin color.
So we're now heading to time zone.
Ano?
Have you guys not anything to see the camera? Going to Jollibee.
You're dead.
We're going to Jollibee because they want the big yacht of Jollibee.
Jollibee!
Well, Jollibee. Pinch his nipples. Oh, yeah.
I only joined one yet for now.
What?
But, did you cut that on camera?
Yes!
Yay!
Look at the face of disappointment.
Okay. Monkey.
Oh! Oh my!
I didn't hurt you.
I'm fine.
Uy, actually kasalanan mo pala yun. Ako yung master niya. Oh yeah. I feel very bad for my slave. So I will give him
Alkulan mo.
dental appointment.
What's up?
Double cameraman.